and welcome. I am Dr. Prachi Banara, and today let's embark on the incredible and amazing journey into the heart of IVF process. Let's together go into the fascinating journey of the embryology lab where science meets magic in creating lives. The embryology lab is truly the most captivating place in an IVF clinic. Here at Birla Fertility and IVF, we have state-of-art technologies including advanced incubators and precision microscope to provide perfect place for your embryos to grow. In the embryology lab of Birla Fertility and IVF, we blend art and science, nurturing life from its very beginning. It marks possibility and hope, and the dedicated team here is always available to answer each and every query of yours. Let's start with the journey. Egg retrieval typically occurs around day 12 to day 14 of the menstrual cycle. After monitoring follicular growth through ultrasound, a trigger injection is given to induce ovulation. We schedule the egg retrieval about 36 hours later, ensuring that those precious eggs are ready for collection. Once the eggs and sperms are retrieved, our talented embryologists step in. They carefully assess each egg, preparing it for fertilization. Under the microscope, we evaluate their quality based on several criteria. Number 1, the size. Healthy eggs are larger, indicating good quality. Shape. Round, uniform eggs are ideal for successful fertilization. Cytoplasmic quality. The cytoplasm should be clear and free from abnormalities. Under the microscope, the eggs appear as translucent, round structures with a protective layer called zona pellucida, essential for fertilization and early development. And now, the moment of scientific magic, fertilization. We use the advanced technique of intracytoplasmic sperm injection, also known as ICSI, where a single sperm is injected directly into the egg. Once fertilization occurs, our team monitors the developing embryos closely. Over the next few days, we observe astonishing transformations. Let's see what they are. Day 1. The first cell division occurs as the fertilized egg splits into 2 cells. Day 2 and 3, the embryos continue to grow, forming 4-cell, 8-cell structures. Day 5, some embryos reach the blastocyst stage characterized by a fluid-filled cavity and a distinct inner cell mass, crucial for implantation. As we assess each embryo's quality, we follow Birla Fertility Protocol. Not all embryos will develop normally, so we grade them to select the most viable ones for transfer, ensuring the best chance for a successful pregnancy. Now, the transfer itself is a delicate and important step. Using a thin catheter, we place the selected embryos directly into the uterus, all while using ultrasound guidance for accuracy. This quick and painless procedure is often filled with emotion as couples take this vital step towards building their family. For the embryos not immediately transferred, we have advanced cryopreservation techniques to freeze them. This means more options for couples in their family building journey. So, dear friends, thank you very much in joining me to the incredible journey into the IVF lab. If you have any queries or questions, please do not hesitate in reaching out to us. We are here for you.